And guys, good morning, good morning. Ang ating almusal for today is ayan, pansit malabon and plain rice. Ayan ko, ayan, toasted bread with palaman na star margarine with sugar at ayan, busik or ang putok na tinapay. At syempre ayan ang kaping barako at water. Ayan po, ayan, ang ating breakfast of the day. And guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy our breakfast of the day. Yan, may club shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Tayo po ay kumain na. Ayan, sarap po ng pansit malabon with kalamansi. Ayan, so yummy yummy. At ito ang paborito ng tinapay. Ito ang putok. Ayan, sarap, lasa.
Yeah.